How to fix Marvel Rivals DirectX 12. Really easy and simple, guys. So I'm going to show you two ways to fix this and what actually worked for me. So what you're going to do is this. Right click on Marvel Rivals on Steam. And then you're going to come here and just go ahead and click on Properties. Okay. Now under Properties, you want to click on the third option, which is Installed Files. Now here you will see this option right here that says verify integrity of game files. You just want to click on this option, and what this does is it basically goes through all your game files and makes sure that every game file is there, there's nothing missing, and there's nothing actually corrupted. Okay? And the next fix is very simple, guys. You just want to right click on your start button. Okay? Click on run, and then you just want to paste this in, or just type this in, sysdm.cpl. Just press OK. Now right here, guys, you want to come here and click on advanced. So this is the system properties. Come and click on advanced right here, and under performance you'll see visual effects, and this is the main thing we want to look for, virtual memory. Come click on settings. So now come click on advanced, and then you see the virtual memory settings. Come here and click on change. So what you want to do, guys, is this. Basically, you want to go ahead and put a virtual RAM. You want to increase your virtual RAM on your PC. This will not give you issues with the DirectX 12. So I have put about 8 gigs of RAM. I have 16 gigs of RAM installed on my PC, and I have added an extra 8 gigs of virtual RAM. Ideally, you want to put about 1.5 times your PC's RAM, and you can go up to 3 times as well. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.